Hello. And who is this?
Hi, this is Farzeen, the owner of the Goddard Sudbury School. And
Oh, this is for the parents. Sorry, I missed
for the
that.
parents and for me to be sit down and talk
Oh,
to them.
nice, nice. That's nice. So it's still in the process, but more.
Machine. You can disinfect in here everything,
Okay.
including your laptop, iPad, everything.
Oh, really?
Yeah, every single toy that you see in each classroom.
So this is because of COVID or because of just like generally
This
people?
will happen after the COVID, and this is the Goddard thing.
Okay.
So the Goddard is using this big machine called Zono. It's a disinfectant machine. Everything
Very
can
nice.
go in this machine to disinfect it for 30
Excellent, excellent.
minutes. Like including your laptop.
Wow.
Yeah.
So it don't damage, you mean? It means that electronics are safe.
Age 12 months, 13 to 19 months.
Okay. Wow. So how? Wow. So till what? All right. Let me.
License for, I mean, the school capacity is 166 children. This school being made for the 166 children.
Okay.
So we have to.
Till toddlers, this school is supposed to be. Farzeen, you have started and you are about to begin. Nice. Oh wow, that's really nice. Oh, you have this whole thing is wow, very nice. So this is okay, nicely done. Okay, thank you. Ezra is having a tour.
Ezra is always with his mama, and Ezra is my buddy. Ezra is with me every single day.
He likes that. He likes the kitchen.
Activities in
Yes, you have a very nice school.
and these 1, 2, 3, these are the toddlers rooms. So after they're gonna turn their rooms, they're gonna move into these rooms.
Very nice.
Outside.
Okay, that's what you were showing me from the other side. Wow.
4 to 5.
Ramp
This is the staff room. So
Okay, still they are
still
still.
doing some work in here.
Okay.
This is mainly our staff room.
Okay.
This is the bathrooms. And then the 22 teachers.
Nice. Yeah, why not? Sizes for the age group that you are supposed to have. So how much staff will you have?
30, yeah. This is my director Jackie.
Oh, hi Jackie.
How are you?
Good. We just
Jackie is my full-time director. Jackie has one 11 months old boy, Blake.
Really?
To join us. And
wow.
Jackie is wonderful.
How do you manage?
It's a lot, but it's worth it.
Thank you, Jackie.
Yeah, this is our IT guy.
Hi, IT guy.
He's just fixing up all the iPads and all the IT
Oh,
stuff.
nice. Nice. What's the name of IT guy?
Isaac.
Isaac, nice to meet you. Thank
Nice
you.
to meet you too.
We are So she wants to be around you.
She wants to be around me. This is the desk for my
Mashallah.
daughter. Hiba, whenever she's here, this is her desk, so she can work from here. And then this is my mom's area.
That's very
And
nice.
my
Good
little-
daughter, mashallah.
My little guy Ezra.
So here we are with Farzeen Fareed. Why are you doing this?
So Shua, as everybody knows, that I was in the early childhood education for like about 24 years. I think around 2007, 2008, I brought that idea to my husband. I discussed this idea to my husband that I wanted to expand my daycare. I wanted to do the franchisee since I've been working with so many families and I know the need of the daycare. But then my husband he got stroke in 2009 and then he got paralyzed and then I got left
couldn't-
taking care of the children because the one income was gone. So I wasn't doing it at that time. But he was always supported me. He has so much faith in me and he always told me that you can do it.
Okay.
2013 he passed away.
Oh, wow.
And then I was like kind of shattered, not just losing my husband but also I was thinking that something that I always thought about it, I wouldn't be able to do it.
Yeah.
And so I've been grieving both, thinking that I lost what I wanted to do. I lost the thing that I was thinking to always do and I lost him. 2 years or so I always talk about it and all that, and then my children, they see me and I was still running the daycare and I was keep talking about it that I don't think so I'll be able to open the big school or the franchisee.
So you always wanted to do this?
I always wanted to do it. I always wanted to do it. And then my children, especially my daughter and my boys, my daughter especially, they say, Mom, if you're not gonna do that, you're gonna be died maybe sooner than later, and then we don't want it. We want you to be happy. So once I decided to do it, then me and Hiba was like always, she was
Your
my big
daughter.
support, my daughter.
Yeah.
I have visited, I don't want it to just open just like that. So we have been visited many franchisees. We went to see the learning experience, we went to see the Kiddie Academy, and then we end up being Primrose, and then we also visited the Goddard school. So after meeting all of these main office, going to their main offices and all that, meeting with the people, I find out that the Goddard is the one that is close to my heart, because Goddard philosophy is the same what I was doing it for many years to my home-based child.
And what is that?
Goddard philosophy is flex. Flex is fun learning experience, for fun learning education. It's all about teaching the child while you're playing with them. I don't like the way, because that's what I was doing with my own children and that's what I was doing it for my home-based childcare. I just teach them while I'm playing with them. And so that's the same thing. Goddard also follow the same method. Second thing with the Goddard is their STEAM program. A STEAM program is all about math, science and arts. My daughter was also part of the STEAM program. Hiba was running one of the STEAM programs.
So you have STEM program in this?
Yes.
Oh.
So Hiba was also running the one of the STEM program for while she's working in Raytheon in the one some underprivileged girls in Lowell. So she was running that program, and I find that program Goddard is also offered that program. So I said, okay, no, I have to go with the Goddard. But then, so in 2019, we put our applications. We show them the email and we tell them that this is our interest.
So did you build this whole thing?
Yeah, so this thing was the Rite Aid and Subway.
Okay.
So the outside of the building is still the same, but inside we demolish every single thing. I have the pictures, I can send you. all
that
the
would be
pictures.
nice.
Yeah.
So this is all your
All brand new,
construction.
yes.
When she cuts it.
Thank you so much. Zabardast, yeah.